Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust subtitles in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open Settings by pressing the gear icon in the main menu of the game, or by pressing F3 button on your keyboard. Then go to Interface. Go to Readability Tab, and here you'll find the various subtitle settings. For example, the general settings for subtitles. By default, if you select default here, the subtitles will only be displayed in campaign. If you change it to all on, they will be displayed everywhere, and all off will will disable subtitles completely. The custom will let you set the subtitles appearance in game to yourself. So if you select show less, which is show more under the subtitles option, you'll be able to choose where you want to see the subtitles. So just switch the toggle to the right wherever you want to see the subtitles to. And so here you can enable the subtitles in multiplayer, in zombies mode, in Warzone. So just adjust the settings for yourself. Below you can find subtitle size, and you can pick between larger, default, larger, and largest size by selecting one of the according option. And here you can also change the subtitles background opacity. So by moving this bar, so just move the bar to the right to increase the opacity, or to the left to decrease it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.